Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a vlog. So right now we're en route right now. I'm on my way to my wax appointment, so that's where we're going right now. And then while we're over there, I'm going to stop over by Hobby Lobby and see what stuff they have out for the fall. So hold on, my camera is not on the dock, so I'm holding it while I'm driving, so it might be like a little wobbly. I'm actually running a little bit behind today just because I had a little outfit wardrobe malfunction with my dress. My son actually broke it, like, because he was pulling up on me and my strap broke off, so I had to change my whole entire outfit. So yeah, so I'm on my way now to my appointment, and I will see you guys once I get there. Okay, so I'm back in the car. I had to rush out because I was running a little late. So I'm done at the European Wax Center. That's where I go. I go to the European Wax Center, and they do an amazing job with any type of waxes that you need. I've been going there for a couple years, and I really love going there. So that's that. So now I'm gonna like run over to Trader Joe's really quick, just because I want to grab the shrimp burgers that I'm absolutely in love with. And every time I go, like I went the other day with my sister-in-law, and the line was like ridiculous. So I didn't even get in line because I had my son and I didn't feel like doing all that. So I'm about to see right now because it's right across the street, and then we might run into Hobby Lobby and see what they have. So let's do this, guys. And I got my stuff from Trader Joe's. So I got some Mike's Hard Lemonade, the watermelon one, and I got some burger buns and some shrimp burgers. These are the burgers that I was talking about that are like bomb. If you haven't gotten these burgers, you should definitely try them. They're the shrimp burgers, and they only sell them at Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh, they're everything, guys. Like everything. And they had a lot of them, so I was really happy about that. So I got shrimp burgers, so I'm probably gonna make that for lunch. And I gotta run over to Five Below for my husband because we're going somewhere on Monday, like a little family thing, and he just realized that he didn't have one of the items that we need to go where we're going, so I gotta pick it up for him. And I need some turkey bacon as well, so I'm gonna pick that up, and then I might stop at Hobby Lobby. So that's what we're doing. And I need to go to Chase because we're finishing up our basement and the electric guys coming tomorrow, so I gotta get that done. So yep, that's what I'm doing right now. My shirt keeps rising up, but it's all good. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right down below. Press the button look, I can't even talk. Press the button so that you don't miss any future uploads or any future videos that I post on my channel. I do makeup tutorials, beauty videos, clothing hauls, vlogs, all those things. So if you don't want to miss that, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I haven't vlogged in like forever, and I hope my battery lasts because I have like one little bar because I didn't charge it overnight. So I'm trying to conserve my battery so you guys could see the stuff that I get. So maybe I should turn this camera off right now so that I have battery to show you guys what I picked up and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I ended up not getting anything just because I feel like I have a lot of fall stuff already at home and I need to see what I have and what I don't have. So I'll probably wind up coming back and picking up some stuff, and they have Christmas stuff out already. Like, I can't believe it. Like, where's the time going? Halloween hasn't even come yet. But stores always do that. They always put this stuff up earlier. So, because I have a lot of decor in my house. Like, I need to see what I have and what I don't have. So I was just looking around seeing what they have. battery completely died, so I wind up getting the shrimp burgers and the salmon burgers that I took you guys with me to Trader Joe's, and I ran into Five Below. They didn't have the water shoes that I wanted. They only had these ones, so I guess these ones will have to do or whatever. And to me they look very like feminine, so I might switch them with my husband and give him mine, and I take these ones. Also, I ordered from this shop called Anaglis or whatever, and it's like a card slot thing. It just came in the mail. It's like a card slot, and you could put all your cards in here, and it has like a chain, so I could put my keys on here if I wanted to. So I thought that was kind of cute. So I'm gonna put my cards that I use most often in there, and I also have a couple other packages. So hold on. So I have two more packages here. I think one is from Frankie Rose Cosmetics, and the other one is from Macy's, which are these shoes that I ordered, that I got the link from Tanya. If you don't watch her channel, she's a YouTuber that does a lot of things pink, and she loves pink, and she has a really, really nice channel, so I would recommend her. So let's just open up the stuff that I got from Frankie Rose. I got a foundation, and I think I got a concealer. So and if anybody was wondering, my necklace is from Melissa Flores. She has a line called Shop Sunday Energy, and that's where my evil eye is from. I absolutely love it. Like, I never take it off, and I take a shower and everything with it, and it hasn't tarnished. So that's a really, really good thing. So just opening up this package. I'm talking kind of low because my son's taking a nap. I want to wake him up. So I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day. So trying to get this open, guys. I just finished eating too. I was so hungry because I didn't eat breakfast before my appointment. So this is what it looks like. Frankie Rose. It came with this little card that says "We've got you covered, Frankie Rose," and they gave me a code which is $10 off my next purchase of $50. So that's pretty cool. And here are my goodies. And they sent me some stickers. One says Frankie Rose Cosmetics, and the other one says Frankie Rose Cosmetics as well. I also did my nails the other day, and they have like flowers on them. They're really cute, I think. So I got the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation, and the color, I'm trying to find the color, and the color Cappuccino. And this is what it looks like. So I'm interested to try this foundation out because I don't have this foundation in my collection, so I'm happy that I have that. And I got the Frankie Rose concealer also in shade Java, so I'm hoping that this is a shade that will work for me, but I'll see. It should. Okay, so that was the item from Frankie Rose. And now I'm gonna open up the box that are the shoes that I picked up, and they're from Macy's, and they're kind of like a dupe for some line. I'll link everything down below so you guys know what I'm talking about, but they were really, really cute, and they're floral. I absolutely love them, and I got them for super cheap thanks to Tanya, which is the YouTuber that I told you guys about. And it's from Macy's. They're Madden Girl. Oh, they're the dupe for the Love Shack shoes that everyone's talking about, the line that's out. And this is what they look like. They come with white shoestrings and the pink lace ones, and they're like little sneakers. They're so cute. So that's what I got. And these were like $20, so I got them for a very decent deal, and I'm really happy about that. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not gonna do anything else for the night. I'm probably gonna just chill out, then make dinner starting later, and then try to clean up this island of a mess that I have going on here, because there's like a bunch of stuff out on the table that shouldn't be here. So I'm gonna do that while my son's sleeping and kind of tidy up and make sure I have everything packed. So thank you guys for watching so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, I wanted to show you guys the Argentina shrimp that I picked up from Trader Joe's. They're like really good. Like, this is what they look like. They're like Argentina raw shrimp, and they're really plump. They taste like amazing, and you can grill them, barbecue, saute them, put them in pasta, whatever you want to do. So those are amazing. So I'm gonna probably make that for dinner. And I also picked up this watermelon ale, which is from Trader Joe's, and it's like a watermelon refreshing drink with ginger ale and watermelon hint into it. So I'll see how this tastes. This has no alcohol in it. So yeah, I picked this up from Trader Joe's. And I picked up, of course, some My Cards lemonade watermelon flavor, because they had them in the singles, and I picked up a case also for later for wherever we're going. So I didn't really get that much stuff at the store, and I showed you guys the shrimp burgers that I'm obsessed with, that I just made one when I came home because I couldn't contain myself. So this is what they look like. They're so good. You just grill them on the stove, and they taste like amazing. So if you haven't tried those shrimp, then you should go check them out. So that's the end to my vlog. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right down below so you don't miss any future videos or any future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.